So for the next tenure, we are recruiting new members for GFG IEC, for which we have set some parameters and criteria so that we can add some filters before we start recruiting. So as you know guys, like we have summer skill up program under GFG that's ongoing. So we thought like something adding filter related to it. Okay. So as you can see in the form, you have a link something like this. Just open this link in your browser. When you will open it, summer skill up page will open on your screen. Let me show you. Then you can see here multiple options like explore, job, workshop, courses, GFG Connect, campus monthly rewards. Okay. Then scroll it. You can see like build your streak, earn rewards. Okay. Now choose whatever field you are interested in. Like for my case, if I want to go in DSA, just choose the option DSA, and the course will appear here. Okay. You can simply click on cross here, then you can see the what are called the materials inside this course. Okay, so most of them here are paid. If you want to pay, then you can pay, else just scroll down. Now you can see some workshops scheduled on upcoming days, like for this you can say like it's on 30th. Okay, you can just enroll here and you can visit this workshop on 30th. Then take a screenshot of this workshop and upload on LinkedIn, tagging all the three accounts as mentioned in the Google form. Similarly, we have more things like here. Yes, sir. These you can see like MongoDB 7 free course, MacKeeper, Zoho, Manage Engine. For example, I want to go for MongoDB. Okay, for day one, just click on Explore now. Now here you can see these all courses are free. Ex- uh, just click on Explore, then just register yourself here. It's free, and you at the end you will get skill badge like this. So what you have to do, like every day whenever you complete even some small step from this course, just screenshot it and post on LinkedIn, tagging all the three accounts like mine, then GFGIAC and official Geeks for Geeks. Okay, and don't forget to use all those two hashtags including in the post. Okay, that's important to track you. Okay, then that's it. You can just explore the entire page. To open any specific code, just click on these things like JavaScript. If you want to see, like, just click on JavaScript. Then but these are paid, I guess, most of them. So if you are looking for free, then these are actually totally free. Then yeah, these are also free. You can have a look on them. The only thing we want is like a consistency from your side. Just be consistent, post daily on LinkedIn, and make sure you tag all the three accounts daily so that we can get notifications and we can track your progress each day. Okay, that's it from my side. All the best, guys.